Thanks for checking out my technical animation for games workshop. I'm Taylor, a Nomen alum. I've been working as a character rigger and technical animator in games for a little over a decade now. I have a wide range of experience across mobile, VR, and AAA games, including 6 years at Respawn. This workshop will be covering a lot of what I previously taught at Nomen in my Games Creation 3 course. While it's expected you should know the basics of navigating in Unreal, I'll be walking through the entire technical animation pipeline in Unreal 5. We'll go over character rigging concepts, principles, and requirements for games, Unreal's animation assets like montages, notifies, root motion, blend spaces, layered animation and state machines, setting up character blueprints and controller input, tying animation to gameplay logic, and adding physics and environment animations. By the end, we'll have a fully playable third-person character with the ability to fire weapons, perform melee combos, and have physics and environment animations. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started.